Hi everyone, Judy here, your maestra. Another short video lesson for you guys. So today I'm gonna teach you how to say, could you repeat that please? In Bisaya, that is, pwede nimo balikon palihog. Pwede nimo balikon palihog. Okay, could you repeat that please? Pwede nimo balikon palihog. Now let's break that down. Puede is can or could, okay? You here is nimo, nimo, okay? And then repeat is balikon, okay? Balikon is to repeat. Please is palihog, okay? Palihog. The that here doesn't have actual translation to Bisaya. Basically, it is already implied that the person wants you to repeat what you're saying. Or, if you really want to put that, you can use to. Okay? Pwede nimo balikon to, palihog. Pwede nimo balikon to, palihog. Okay? For that. Okay? Again, let's repeat that one more time. Could you repeat that, please? Pwede nimo balikon palihog? Pwede nimo balikon palihog? Or, you can add to. Pwede nimo balikon to palihog? Pwede nimo balikon to palihog? Okay. So, practice it more, guys. Every single day, you'll be master with this phrase. So, all you need to do is just practice every day, okay, to help you enhance your Bisaya language speaking skills. That's all for today, guys. I'll see you next Friday for another short video lesson. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video and do visit me at my site. I hope to see you there. Bye.